안 되더라고요, 해보니까. 하도 오래됐는데.
저 한 20년 동안 안 해가지고.
가능한.
네, 타이트하게.
외국에는 팽이가 없는가 봐요.
똑같은 건 없어가지고요.
아, 비슷한 행태에 그것도 있는가 보네, 외국에는.
비슷한 건 있는 것 같더라고요.
아, 이거 지금 한 번도 성공을 못했네요.
It's easy.
그래가지고 평행을 먹었어요, 지금. 이렇게. 이렇게 올라가셔야 되는데 지금 내가 테크닉도 부족하고 이 팽이도 좀 좋고 이 바닥도 좋으면은 이렇게 올려가지고 다른 사람도 없는 팽이를 이렇게 해가지고 탁 찍어보는데요. 그럼 그 팽이가 탁 넘어지면은 내가 이기고 못 넘어뜨리면 그 상대방이 또 이렇게 따르가 또 하고 그 팽이서 저거 조금 더 타이트하게 처음 그럼 이렇게 탁 그런데 이게 아니고 그렇지 요거
아, 맞네. 그래서 안 됐구나. 오케이. 아, 감사합니다. 아, right. Not this.
Break window.
Expensive game.
Be careful.
Look out!
That was good.
Winner. How do you say winner in Korean?
Winner.
Like first.
아, 1등.
Ilton. If anyone wants some coaching. Angle.
Yeah, he know how to throw. Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Show me your phone. How to do the.
You don't want his form.
You got my form and shit.
I've had a taste for victory.
Ready, best.
Why does it flip upside down? What am I doing?
You flick it too hard, I feel.
You
Like
reckon?
when you pull it back. You pull it too hard.
Too much pullback. Thank you for your advice.
So thank you, coach. This is climbing a
I
mountain.
want to be harder than climbing.
Oh!
Oh,
That would have been good. That would have been good.
Okay.
Let it rip.
Rosie, you're in second place.
No, Jack's. This is pathetic. I thought that unraveled.
Yeah, it was just upside
Are
down.
you doing the in between the pins and stuff?
I'm trying, but it feels so wrong, and then sometimes it hits just right. That's what they say about me.
Yeah. It feels so wrong. Like something.
My hands are cold.
Are you like just flicking it with this? Or are you grabbing it and throwing it?
I couldn't tell you what I do. It's like basketball. You're bad.
There we go.
Done a really good rap.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Now everybody's winding is really good.
Yeah. It's okay.
Not easy.
I feel fun.
It almost be nice when you put it like,
Why is it upside down?
yeah, he always flips his upside down.
How do I do it? I have a special talent.
You have a special talent for like fucking up so bad.
I really thought it was best. So. Can't believe DLC is the best.
That's very surprising. I'm a very peculiar woman.
Oh, it's a day that ends in Y.
Look at Jack's the change his seat when he runs. I'll be really pressed if anyone else can make
Yeah.
I was born for that. Spin it the right way. Spin it the right way. That way.
It's like this.
No.
From
no.
here to there.
No, but like that. Not.
Yeah.
No.
Other
Like
way.
like it's no. Skim rock, like skimming rock.
Yeah.
Why do you keep doing it? We're like no. It's like oh.
Yeah, he says, oh, and does the same thing.
This and then back.
No, but like
Yeah, right.
just like
You're
a
holding it
frisbee.
really awkwardly.
Yeah. like
But he says yeah.
like you're slapping it.
And I don't let go of the string, right? No.
No,
Hold the string.
just you've unraveled it, my guy.
Oh, sorry.
It goes down the mouth.
I feel like he's gotten so good at the wrapping part, yet every time he throws it, it's the loosest part.
Classic.
Like, you look really tall looking because your jacket is so
great.
it's so tiny on you. Husky.
The boots are really big as well. Totally bred.
Totally great. You did mention that
This is my little workshop.
My fingies are really cold.
Oh, the wall was. Oh, yeah.
Doesn't last long.
No.
How'd that other man do it so
Yeah, he was a pro.
Secretly a world champion. Sometimes you can't record.
The angle.
Yeah, I'm gonna get angry.
Angle, not angry.
Angle.
And angry. Yeah, you're bowling it.
Alright.
So gentle.
Nice. Yeah, okay, here's the bag.
Yeah, the winner.
If that works.
I'm not sure.
I feel like the Koreans did it a certain way, so I really like you.
I'm no good now though, I'm out of practice.
Get back in the game. Yeah, the two spin around at the start on the middle thing. It's crucial.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, we're
You rapping?
just getting one.
Watch it a lot. You watch it a lot.
The winner is the longest.
Want to call it Kimmy?
Maybe like a squid. We're all coming on together.
When you down your position, then better.
Okay. Time us in.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Winner!
Wow, the best!
Screaming all
Oh.
The best way to learn is to observe.
Oh!
Thank you. Thank you.
Nothing the whole time.
He wrapped it for me. He wrapped it for me.
Think is not a good way to learn, but
I got it. I got it.
Practice is not perfect.
yeah.
That was
Thank
great.
No.
Oh.
Thank you so much for the class.
What are I doing this shirt?
It's homemade kimchi, but in the restaurant, normally they serve kimchi from factory now. It's cheaper like this or this. Okay. Would you hold your glass, the cup? Yeah. Thank you. We normally hide the ramen. Hide the brand. It's meaning that I'm sorry, I can only offer this kind of brand. I wish I can offer the high quality brand.
But if it's a high quality brand, you show
Then you
them.
can 짠.
Jan.
짠.